Hello y'all, welcome back to Roz Reviews and Demos. Thanks for clicking on the link, we appreciate it. In case it looks like I'm wearing the same clothes from the last video, it's because I am. But anyway, we're still drinking the Chi-Chi's Long Island Iced Tea Mix. This stuff's great, very strong. Yeah, these are nice. So this is one of my Christmas spectacular speakers, the Aiwa Exos-9. Great speaker. This was recommended to me by one of the viewers. His name's Justin Galasso. Good job, dude. Excellent recommendation. I'm really glad you talked me into picking this speaker up. I've been enjoying it. It's a lot of fun. It sounds great. It thumps nice. Just an all-around really nice speaker. In case you missed it, I had a battle video with this and the UE Hyperboom, the Ultimate Ears Hyperboom, about a week and a half ago. Great battle. Both great speakers. The Aiwa actually beat up on the Hyperboom a little bit. The Hyperboom is one of my favorite speakers, so it hurts me to say this, but this Aiwa for about 80 bucks cheaper beat up on the Hyperboom a good bit. And I'll tell you why. It's louder. You can feel the bass more. It actually, will vibrate the house a little bit. It has mid-range on it, so it really sounds great at the higher volumes. Plus, like I said, the price is excellent on this thing. So, as you can see, we turned her on now. The Aiwa has a 5-band onboard equalizer, which is, if you know me, it's one of my favorite features on a speaker. To have it on board just really simplifies everything. You can adjust all those tones the way you want them. The Aiwa has I'll show you the back of it, but it has a carrying handle. It also has a removable battery pack, which I think is cool. The battery starts wearing out. You hit Aiwa up, you get a new battery for it, no problem. This is actually the first portable Bluetooth speaker I've tested that has that. So that's a pretty cool feature. You can pair this with a second unit, and it will be stereo, which is very cool. It has 4 preset equalizers on board, and I'll kind of show you all that when I bring the camera over. I think that basically covers it, but yeah, this speaker's excellent speaker for 320 bucks, or it's $329 regular retail. I've seen it on sale for as low as $260. That is a great price for this unit. This unit sounds like a big sound system. It really does. It has some great powerful sound for the price and how big it is. Sound quality is not quite as good as the UE Hyperboom, but the Hyperboom costs like 80 bucks more regular retail. The Hyperboom also is probably a little easier to move around and is definitely more splash and rain proof. Also, the Hyperboom will hit lower tones than the Aiwa will, but the Aiwa is a lot louder than the Hyperboom is. So when I had the battle between the two speakers, which, I'll provide the link here in the description, the Aiwa actually beat it for volume and thumpy bass, like bass you can feel. Also, ease of use, having the equalizer on board of the Aiwa makes it way easier than the way UE does it, which is with an app. You have to go into the app to adjust the sound. So again, this really is a great speaker for the price. And, we're going to demo the sound right now. I hope you all enjoy it. Volume set about, probably a little less than halfway here. Sure y'all can tell the thing really does thump nicely. It has some nice low bass that thumps real nice. Okay, so you can see the EQ here. Hopefully this thing's going to focus for us. And basically there's just some arrow buttons on the top. You see I turn the EQ off. Alright, so that's setting there. See that save? It shows save a little battery. Apparently if you put that on, it will cut out the high energy tones, the bass, so you don't waste your battery too quickly. So that's one of the features. You can turn your EQ off. Then you have the adjustable EQ. As you can see here, I can move it left to right and then just adjust out of it. And then you have your 4 presets. And that's basically it for features. Again, you can link this with a second unit and it will be stereo. Let's spin her around here and show you the back. Okay, so like I said, it does have a handy handle here that you can grab. That there's your bass reflex hold. This is the battery. Like I said, it's, you know, you can disconnect it. Really great feature. You know, the speaker's 5 years old and the battery's starting to not last long. You send the thing in and you get a new one. You also have an auxiliary, you know, 3.5 millimeter auxiliary port. You know, and I got to tell you, all these Bluetooth speakers sound even better if you plug into that. This is a USB for charging your device, so you can charge your phone through this. The little USB, mini USB guy here, that is actually for a software update. Otherwise, you don't use it for anything. And then you just got your on-off switch there. And that's basically it. It's a very simple speaker. There's not a lot to it. But again, you know, it's not very expensive. You know, it's not incredibly expensive. You know, and like I said, I think for the price, this speaker's a really good speaker. So thanks again to Justin Galasso for recommending the Aiwa Exos-9. It's an awesome speaker. I definitely recommend it. Thanks y'all for watching the video. I appreciate it. Hope everybody has a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there. Cheers.